Nobody is going to come to you and tell you, hey, it's your turn. You don't have to wait for permission to start your channel, right? Many people spend years and years and years waiting around and doing analytics and studying and saying, should I do this, right? But now it's the right time. You know, you're over 50, you have all this knowledge you gain throughout life. Oh my God, you have so much to give, right? I want you to go for it. Start your channel. That's what you want to do. Look what I'm doing right now. I am not thinking about talking to thousands of people. I'm thinking about only talking to you. I'm having a one-way conversation, right? Only to you about what you should do with your life, right? You're over 50. Maybe you're not even retired yet, right? But you still have this skill set, right? The best creators on YouTube are the ones who don't wait for permission. They are just the ones who are going to push forth and do it just like you are going to do. Family, right? Sometimes us over 50, we think, well, what will my family think about me doing my channel, right? What will they think? Maybe my spouse doesn't understand. Maybe my boyfriend or girlfriend will say, what are you doing anyway, right? Maybe your kids will laugh, what are you doing? You know, it's crazy, right? Maybe your friends might say, you're too old for YouTube, right? That's okay, that's fine. This has to be yours, you know? People have their opinions, and that's okay, you know? They don't see your vision today. They see you as Joe sitting here today, but they don't see you as Joe 6 months from now when you have a couple hundred subs, where you're teaching people about your life, things you learn, you know, how to help them, right? Don't allow somebody else's opinion become your limitation. Don't allow that. You guys think what you want to think, right? But I'm going to go forth with Mitch in his community, and we're going to do it. You guys, I have a community down there for you, over 50, right? The reason why I did this is because I've joined other communities with other people who are much younger than me, right? They talk fast, like, whoa, you know, I don't want a Ferrari. I don't need to have a vacation every other day, right? I'm looking for a way to teach what I know, right? Grow my channel and help people solve problems, right? The younger generation has these really big ideas and they're doing really great with what they're doing, but it didn't apply to me. And I said, you know what? I can almost guarantee people in my generation feel the same way. That's why I started my community over 50 for us down there, so we too can have our own businesses, our own communities, our own channels, right? So that's why I did that. Number 3 is a big deal. Your confidence is going to come after you start, after the action, not before. So what do I mean by that? So once you start your channel, you get that first subscriber, 5 subscribers, 10 subscribers, right? It's a great feeling. Then you start feeling a little bit more confident. Hey, people do want to hear what I have to say. I have something to give to people, right? They like me saying this, they like me saying that, and I'm teaching to people and I'm giving back. And that's the most important part, is that you are giving back, right? And that builds the confidence, you know. My channel we have 4 channels. One channel I have has 35,000 subscribers on it. I don't remember my first subscriber, right? But I like to know that I have 35,000 people that come to see me at least once a week. It's nice, right? Because I, like you, same as you, have something to offer. The only difference is between you and I started doing it, right? And I want you to do it. You're thinking, well, Mitch, I need help. That's why I have my community down there for you. It's extremely affordable. Every day we post in there, we talk, we have coffee every Friday at 4 o'clock, we share things, right? Now, every creator, myself included, number 4, started before they were really ready. So what does that mean? I'm doing my YouTube channel 7 years ago, right? No subscribers, 0 views, 0 editing experience, 0 software experience. Some confidence, of course. I'm a military guy. We always have confidence, right? But what separated me from everybody else isn't talent, right? It was that I was willing to start before I had everything perfected, right? Even to this day, I don't have a fancy camera. Shh, don't tell nobody. It's my phone, right? I don't do that. I keep it smart because that's all I needed. But the difference was is I started and nobody else did, right? They sit there even to this day, they're planning and making ideas and buying equipment. I said, no, let's just start, right? Imagine yourself 1 year from now, right? You have two choices. The first choice, you keep waiting around, making plans. Maybe they might laugh at me. I shouldn't do it. I'll be too embarrassed. Or you are the second person who starts today, right? If you begin right now, just make your video and see yourself. It's awesome. I have a course down in my community down there. You can follow the course. It'll show you step by step by step how to do this. Really short videos, 2 or 3 minutes long. It shows you how to do it all the way. So, you guys are over 50. It's time to start, right? Tomorrow is not promised, correct? So you gotta start today and do your thing. I'm with you. You're not by yourself. You're gonna have a community with you the whole way, okay? Start today, guys, all right? I'll see you around. Take care. Bye-bye.